What's left of the rest of the season. So as you can see, the bowl is filled. That's all that is left. So that will be saved for the next turkey. Alright. So now she's ready for the oven. I'm not going to put the cover on now. Maybe I should, so it can steam and sweat, and then after a while, then I'll take the cover off, and then so it start getting its natural color and begin to change color. Okay. This is the cover. This turkey is really big. I guess this is the biggest one that I've cooked, or maybe this pan is not big enough. Now I'm washing my hands and get ready to put it in the oven. Alright, you're watching the Winston TV on the YouTube platform. I'm Basting. I put the cover on for now so the turkey can sweat and generate steam and heat that will penetrate through the turkey. That will help the rice to cook inside and the seasoning. The seasoning that is going to use to cook the rice in peas. Of course, some onions. So this will be for the rice and peas. Smells delicious. Smells really good. Look. Awesome. I haven't lost my touch for so many years of not cooking. It's all coming back in now. Wow, out of retirement. You brought me out of retirement. This is the red peas that I will be putting in the pot with the seasoning that will be put in the rice and peas. We'll be adding some thyme and a couple leaves of rosemary and a couple leaves of sage and a little bit of thyme. Yes, and leave it. Where will this water dry down to when the peas is cooked? That's where I'm taking it from to add the various seasoning, the coconut cream, and then the rice to finish off the final stage. Some peas. Okay, this is a turkey broth. This will help to cook the season that I just put in, along with the carrots. This little bit of juice that'll help to keep it moist and also to cook the rice on the inside so it doesn't dry out. Alright, I'm going to add some scallion. I already put seasoning in there. Add some onion powder. There's already onions cut up in there. From the beginning when I was cooking the peas. Add some additional garlic powder. Not too much. And my coconut milk cream. Coconut milk cream. This is essential when you're cooking Jamaican style rice and peas. Alright, so that's the coconut milk I'm adding. be going in the good day with the peas. Not supposed to really rinse it because it says so on the package, but nonetheless, I'm going to rinse it. Get some of the starch out. All right. So the coconut milk is in there. All the essential seasoning. It's in. The last thing I'm going to put in there is a 3/4 cup of butter. And then cover it up. Turn the fire to low. And let it simmer down. This is Jamaican style rice and peas. Alright, so everything is in there, skillet is in there, butter is in there, all the seasoning is in there. So now I'm just going to let it simmer down and then dry it out from there. My people, there's rice and peas, Jamaican style rice and peas. So, for those of you other than the Caribbean and the United States and Canada who have never seen it done before, that's it. That's the Jamaican rice and peas. Alright. Peeper. That's the turkey. The turkey is cooked and ready to serve. So that's the final outcome of my big turkey that could all fit in the container. So you see how nice and golden brown, how pretty it looks, and it's well cooked. Alright, so I'll be serving out very shortly, get everything together organized. So just want you to take a look at it coming out of the oven. You're looking at the Winston Gel TV on the YouTube channel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final product of the turkey that you're looking at on the Winston Gel TV on the YouTube channel. This is the Thanksgiving turkey. Today is Thanksgiving in the United States, and my turkey is ready for feasting on this auspicious occasion that is set aside every year on the 25th of November. And here's my rice and peas, my Jamaican style rice and peas, ready to go. Combination of rice and peas, Jamaican style, and American turkey, especially Thanksgiving, cooked Jamaican style. So I'll let you know how it tastes once I have my dinner. So you're looking at the Winston Joe TV. Thank you very much for viewing. Enjoy your Thanksgiving wherever you are in the world, in the United States, or across the globe. I wish you the best on this particular special day. You are watching this Thanksgiving turkey on the Winston Joe TV. Well, my friends, we're here again. This is my final overall presentation for my Thanksgiving. This is a simple presentation for us. This is what we're going to partake of for this Thanksgiving. Of course, you have the main dish here, which is a turkey, of course. And then we have some sweet yams here. These are potatoes, they call them sweet yam in the United States. And I have rice and peas, Jamaican style rice and peas. And here I have some jello, 2 different flavors. I have strawberry and I have orange. This will be part of my dinner presentation. And of course, I have a basic salad. I have lettuce and tomato, and a little bit topped off with some bacon bits and some salad dressings, some Caesar salad dressing. So this is my basic presentation for my holiday in the United States of America. So I'd like to share this with you. So to all my friends out there, all over the world, happy Thanksgiving, and I'm sharing this with you. Okay? To all my friends, especially in the Philippines, happy Thanksgiving. Alright? Special shout out to Kim and Loaded Mice Vlog, Joycelyn, Mets Joe, special shout out to you, Monica, Kakuya, Angie Manzoor, and Atis Chiklai, Clancy Roma, special shout out. This is my Thanksgiving presentation here in the United States. Alright, so enjoy. Thank you. And in Jamaica, we have Mr. Eugene Bryant, Education Now. Mr. St. Thomas Redevelopment, and Clarity Flex Jamaica, and Teacher T. Downer, and DJ. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Enjoy. You're watching the Winston Joe TV. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. And please comment down below. Let me hear what you have to say about my Thanksgiving dinner presentation. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.